So ayan, ayan mga bulan ng Canadian, nagkagulo na.
Natalie wants to go. Oh, no.
Yeah, go there. At the back.
What is it?
Ayan oh.
Feel like Natalie, get up here. Okay. Candace, move. Natalie wants to get up.
Ayan oh, sige.
There, move a little bit.
No, you have to sit on the chair.
No.
Seat belt. Oh, be careful not to hit someone.
You're gonna hit me.
Alright.
You're gonna hit everyone. Ow!
Are you okay?
Hit me.
Sa? No, that's okay.
Here, Natalie. I'll get here. What? Help! Need help. No.
Hurry up.
Somebody just help her. Here, hold up.
Hi. Happy birthday to whose birthday? Alright. Ayan mga bulan ng Canadian. Loaded kami oh. Kulang pa ng isa dito. Ito ayan oh. Empty pa. Nandito si Charlie. Charlie boy. Alright. Hi. Oh yan. Nagtakbuhan na sila mga kakilaki. Bulan ng Canadian. Ayan oh. Tisdale Elementary School. Alright. Something happy birthday to Shelly. Alright. Say something.
Happy birthday to me.
How about you, Jackson?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to your ate Shue.
Happy birthday.
Say something. What's your wish to Shelly?
Probably get her a nice gift.
What?
Maybe get her a nice gift. Did you say baby?
Yeah, it's walking. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye!
Have fun you guys on your school. Alright. How about you? Candice? So ayan mga bulan ng Canadian, hinatid ko si Jackson and Shelly at saka yung kasama niya. Kaibigan nila yun. Alright.